Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Coinw exchange and how to make money off of it. Okay, so all the must knows and all the basics, we're going to tackle all of them right now. Okay, so it's important to follow through step by step on this arduous process that we're going to go into. Let's first start off with searching the Coinw itself. I already happen to have an account here, but ultimately I'm going to show you guys how to create your own account, how to log in. So here's some basic questions about the platform here. So where is it located? So here it is. It's located in the Dubai, UAE. So basically, just the credibility itself, when we're talking about Dubai, one of the world's #1 leading when it comes to cryptocurrency and everything about crypto, because a lot of people, when they start off with cryptocurrency, when they start off fresh as a noob on these platforms, they're kind of like worried about the risks and so on, and we're going to be tackling about those things later on. But right now, let's just get a feel on the these are the majority selected questions. Okay, so who owns Coinw? Just a little bit of an insight on the site here. Okay, so Mingo Y in 2017 according to the project teams. Okay, so just a little bit of research about this will help you move and traverse throughout this platform smoothly. Okay, so yeah, I encourage you to do your own research about this before starting about your own business doing crypto trading. Okay, so just go ahead and do a little bit of research for yourself. I'm not going to, of course, do the entire research for yourself, because I'm here to actually show you the platform itself. So it is completely legal in the United States of America. Back when I was living in States, I haven't really got into much of cryptocurrency back then because, of course, juveniles, right? So yeah, just do a little bit of a research on the topic. I can't stretch this out more. Okay, so yep, this absolutely has an application. A lot of people have been trading online using nothing but their smartphones, and that's the beautiful thing about crypto trading, because you can just do it with the convenience of your phone, of your mobile phone. Okay, so Coinw in Canada, I have a couple of friends in Canada, so there's limited factors on the cryptocurrency and crypto events in Canada, because in a compliant way, as you can see here, there's limited access to crypto when it comes to Coinw I'm talking about, rather. So it's not totally accessible in Canada like 100% compared to United States, but there are countries though that ban cryptocurrency. Okay, we have Qatar, we have here Bangladesh, we have China, Algeria, Iraq, Morocco, and Vietnam. So that's basically it. If you're fortunate enough to not be in these countries that I just mentioned, then you could embark on cryptocurrency, which is a game changer if you want to have extra, if you want to, up your game when it comes to earning money online. Okay, so let's just go ahead and traverse through the coin exchange, the Coinw here. Let's go ahead and teach you guys how to actually sign up now. I've already have, as you can see, a couple of. So I'm going to be blurring a couple of things here so that, for privacy purposes, of course, but I'm going to ultimately teach you guys how to log into one of these platforms and ultimately create your own account. So as you can see, here's my account here. I'm just going to log it out. we can start fresh. Okay, this is a lot more convenient when creating an account. On my opinion, it's a lot more convenient if you do it on mobile phone instead of like doing here on the computer. But as you can see, to register, you could use your mobile phone number, or you could use your email. Okay, so input your phone number, password, and you'll be sent a verification code. You have to like agree on the terms and conditions. That's basically it. It's a free setup. It's a free account basically to register. Mine, I did it on email, so they're going to be sending the verification code on the email, so depending on where your preference is. So let's say, for example, you chose email. I've already added, and yeah, just take your time to. This is quite normal for this to happen because it's connected on Google, of course, and they're just trying to make sure that you're not a bot or something. So just solve these things. I know it's kind of like a hassle sometimes, especially if you're in a hurry, but yeah, just comply with Google. That's it. And here they're going to be sending the verification code to the Google account. I mean the Gmail account here. You could use email account as well. Any email account like Yahoo or anything. It actually doesn't really matter if you use phone or not. Okay, so all you have to do is like enter the codes that they've sent you. They're going to be asking you this each time you're trying to log in, for safety purposes, of course, because what if you have a ridiculous amount of money inside this account of yours? So they need to take extra steps and precautions to the platform that you traverse in. Okay, so on my account here, I'm going to let you guys just get a feel on what this actually looks like here. I know it's kind of like confusing at first, so I'm going to give you guys a tour here on the actual account here. So if you buy crypto, here are the traversable domains here. You could quick buy, OTC. This is where you actually buy the crypto. Now you could buy it once you've already set it up your credit card payment here. Absolutely, I'm going to be teaching you how to do so, but right now let's just go through this, traverse through this platform right here before I could actually show you guys how to do so. You see on the right side here, these blue graphs, these are the actual trading events themselves. So these are the events where you do the actual live trading, so USTD, swap. So these are the domains that you're going to be traversing in. Now, assuming that you already have basic knowledge of the actual trade and how it goes, I'm going to be showing you guys later how to actually do so. But finance, what I'm doing right now is giving you guys a tour so you guys wouldn't get lost. So when you try to like press something and you'll be like, what is this, and so there will be no further questions needed in the future. So here's the copy trading. That's where the money is going to be coming from if you want to like actually have a real tangible income when it comes to these things. Now, daily trading, they trade daily, and depending on they actually have a calendar here. Okay, it tracks your progress and rewards, USD to challenge. So just get a feel of this, traverse through this platform so that you guys could get a feel. So here's the actual trade itself, but I'm going to be showing you guys that later. Okay, so yes, I know everything. No, I'm green. So are you new to this cryptocurrency thing? Just go ahead and click the new part here, and yeah, there's a bunch of information here that you might have to sort out for yourself, but it ultimately boils down to the amount of time that you traverse in these domains, so that you get to have a good feel and you can get used to all of this. Okay, so here are the additional options here. Now, the beautiful thing about the Coinw here is it already has its own pocket. So a lot of crypto sites where you do the actual trading is they have partner platforms that acts as a pocket for all of your cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter if it's cash, tangible cash, or not. So that's it. Here you could actually buy. Yeah, just go ahead. These are the options. That's all there is. That's all there is to it. This is the home page right here, and beneath here is the live trading underneath here, and you could buy crypto here on quick buy, OTC. Let's just go ahead. So now, remember when I told you guys when you actually need a credit card, here it is underneath here. So you need to register your card here so you could buy actual crypto and also start earning. This is where you start. When you start earning, the money is going to be coming in from these domains, from these cards right here that you just registered to on this account. And it has to be a real one that is connected to a legitimate bank, of course, with your full credentials, so that's where you get your money from. That's where you ultimately withdraw. So whatever you earn here gets linked directly to your card, where you could ultimately, cash out if you want to from your earnings. So that's the beautiful thing. Again, let's just go through these calendars right here. These are the markups of your actual activities and the actual commencing of the exchange here. Okay, so let's just scroll down here. Here are the actual cryptocurrencies that you could purchase here. We have BTC, we have ETH, we have Dodge here. Dodge actually has their own crypto site, so we're going to be touching on that later on. So we have Shiba here, the TRX. These are the actual, but we also have Bitcoin. I do believe there's Bitcoin as well. So it's a type of cryptocurrency. Depending on where you're based globally, it's going to be impacting a lot on whether you're going to be successful on this actual trading. Like, for example, you're in some parts of Asia where Bitcoin is the number one, outgoing cryptocurrency, rather than, there's still other cryptocurrencies that are available in Asia, of course, but what I'm talking about here is the domineering one. Okay, so once you get locked into that, I have no idea what it is on the West Hemisphere side or the parts of Europe, but right now let's just focus on getting you guys to familiarize all this. Now, this is the actual trade. This is what it actually looks like. Okay, I'm going to be showing you. Here it is. You're going to be accepting all this, because all of this has its legal means and backed up by court, of course, because these are really extremely large companies here that we are working with. So fully legal again, UAE. Come on, guys. So you really have to know and be responsible for the actual trade itself. You need to be responsible for all this. So this is the actual trade here where you could go ahead and start trading. Okay. Now I'm going to give you guys a feel here. So what you basically have to do is when you start trading, you have to wait for the perfect timing before you actually trade for you to make money. So once you buy crypto, once you already have crypto on your account, there's going to be free. Once you register here, it's going to be a free one, but free starting crypto, free starting balance rather. So you could buy, but it's better off to start with the fresh ones that you got for free. So you see these graphs right here, depending on, it really boils down by chance, but there's actually experts out there who sort of like unlocked and discovered a cheat code in all of this. But since we're in the beginners platform here, this is the actual trade itself. If you buy crypto, put it here, you could trade it. Now it all boils down by chance. If you get a good reasonable or a good hefty amount of exchange where you could earn money from it, or if you, this is the risk. Okay, this is one of the risk factors of the exchange here, is that if you were not too careful, you could absolutely end up losing a bunch of crypto, and that's a bad deal for us. That's bad for business, and also that ends up with you buying more cryptocurrency, which takes more legitimate tangible money, and it's a losing bet if that keeps on happening, and you'll end up losing a lot of cash. So be responsible, and that's it. Happy trading. Now I'm going to be showing you guys on this next sector on some of the platforms that I could personally recommend, and platforms based on off of your wherever you are globally watching this. So a bunch of, not just the Coinw here, but a bunch of platforms that are affiliated with Coinw. So we're going to be tackling those things right now. So guys, please familiarize this actual platform here, this actual traversable platform, so that you don't get lost. Okay. Now remember when I told you guys about the thing where you don't need to, like, actually when you start on this platform in the first place, you don't need to buy actual crypto first, because they're going to be giving you a bonus to start with. Now this is it. You could use it now or use it for later. So it's 10 USD, and yeah, this is basically a signing bonus and all of this. That's up to you if you want to use that. I wouldn't bet money on that though. So, but I did have a couple of friends who had a good bet using those free 10 USDs. Okay, so right now let's just go ahead and search the depending on where you're located globally. Okay, let's just do a little bit of more research, since we've already created your account, and you can just start earning there. So here are the currencies of crypto. We have Litecoin, the Dogecoin. So top 10 cryptocurrencies of April 2024. Okay, so furthermore research is going to be needed if you guys really are into, if you guys really want to take this into the next level. Okay, we have Binance. We have the Binance coin. Binance actually is one of my favorites, because this is the one that you could actually use on your mobile phone. Okay, so the convenience part of this is what I like. So these are the other platforms that are affiliated to Coinw, and I'm going to be showing you the Binance first. One of the leading here on the Binance, one of the leading countries that are really strong on Binance is the United States of America. Well, what else? We have Canada, unlimited factor, but Binance is the way to go if you're a little bit advanced. But if you're at the beginner's phase, I'd highly recommend doing insights on, a lot more easy, traversable, basic platforms, basic domains before actually venturing out to the actual ones that are in requirements of a more skilled trader and someone who's been at the crypto gig for a while. Okay, so that's just it. Is it safe to buy from Binance? It's absolutely safe. If you guys notice why I kept on clicking one of these drop downs, is because these are actually surveyed questions from Google, and Google actually garnered up and gathered up all these infos here, where a lot of people have been giving ratings. So thank God for AI now. And also, just to make sure about the credibility, or whether or not if you're having doubts about the platform actually being legit. So these are garnered up ratings on the drop downs here, so it's very important. So a friend of mine actually taught me this method here to look and venture out and look for, if you want to look for the best sites, doesn't matter if it's related to crypto or not, you look for the drop down, because that's where the ratings go. Okay, that's where the actual questions, the majority of questions that are asked, so everything is there. Okay, so that's it for the Binance coin. I want you to familiarize all that so that you guys can just go ahead and apply this to your actual live trading. Okay, now here's the crypto. We've already been through this on the actual Coinw site, the actual Coinw platform, but this Bitcoin BTC, Binance Coin, Solana, Ripple. I like Ripple. Dungeon Coin is also good. Now we're going to be taking a good look at the Dogecoin later, but for now, just go ahead and do your research. I highly recommend that you should do your own research after this, after you've created your very first, if not very first, crypto exchange platform. Okay, so Dogecoin, here we go. We're going to be searching the Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency created by software engineers. So a little bit of a history about Dogecoin here. Okay, this is actually a quite new platform, as you can see from the meme dog that they've used on their actual site logo here. If you guys are not familiar with the Shiba Inu, they're actually related to Shiba. Okay, they're actually affiliated with Shiba, the another platform I'm talking about. So here are the actual live tradings of the platform itself, so take a good look, especially if you're a newbie trader. But if you're an experienced trader, you could just take a good look at this and judge it off based of all these current events that are unfolding based off of this. Okay, so just go ahead and do your diligent research before starting off with venturing out to other platforms such as Dogecoin. Okay, so these green parts are here. These are the actual trading events. So yeah, currency created by software engineers. So recently, many individuals are drawn to crypto trading due to the potential for significant financial gains, and the volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets means there are ample opportunities, for traders to profit from fluctuations. So diversification. So cryptocurrencies offer a way to diversify investment portfolios between traditional assets like stock and bonds. This, diversification can potentially reduce overall portfolio risk as cryptocurrencies often have low correlations with other asset classes. Okay. And the beautiful thing about crypto trading is it's accessible to anyone with the internet connection, basically. So, unlike traditional financial markets that may have higher barriers to entry, this accessibility has, democratized basically investing and allowed people from all over the globe to participate in global markets such as this. So, cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology represent significant technological innovation. So, trading cryptocurrencies allows individuals to participate in and contribute to this rapidly evolving space of the crypto space. So, crypto trading can serve as a means of hedging against traditional market risks or speculating the future price movements. For example, like individuals in countries experiencing hyperinflation may turn to cryptocurrencies as a hedge against currency devaluation. And not only that, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, meaning they are not controlled by a single entity or government. That's a good thing. And this decentralization appeals to those seeking alternatives to traditional financial systems and these institutions. So yeah, certainly plays a large role in the global market. So cryptocurrency market operates 24/7, allowing traders to buy and sell assets anytime in night or day. So this global nature of the market basically means that there are always opportunities for trading regardless of the time zone and basically the time zone of your country. So they also have relatively new asset classes, and their adoption and acceptance continue to grow. As a result, there's a considerable potential of price appreciation as a cryptocurrency became more mainstream nowadays, okay? Especially for countries like Asia and all that. The countries that are inside Asia, abide in Asia, okay? Especially Japan and all of that. Taiwan, really good in cryptocurrency as well. But it's really important to note that crypto trading also comes with its risks. That's why they come with all these agreements once you start trading on their platforms. So, including market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, security concerns, and all of that, etc. And the potential for loss of funds, of course, as any form of trading or investing individuals should conduct, throughout research and cautions when participating in one of these crypto markets. So that's why I've taken the extra step to let you know about the pros and cons on traversing through the crypto market, okay? But ultimately, the pros outweighs the cons, especially when it comes to involving lower fees compared to traditional financial systems, especially for cross-border transactions. This makes cryptocurrencies an attractive option for remittance and international payments. So basically, cryptocurrency transactions are secured by cryptographic techniques and recorded on immutable public ledgers as well, such as blockchain and all this. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. This enhanced security by reducing the risk of fraud and tampering, and additionally, the transparent nature just basically of the blockchain technology allows just basically anyone to verify transactions, promoting trust and accountability. So win-win. There's certainly consequences if you don't do this carefully, you don't do this the right way, but the pros ultimately outweighs the cons here, okay? And they're basically unbounded by geographical boundaries, basically, or regulatory restrictions, enabling frictionless peer-to-peer transactions across the globe, guys. So this borderlessness nature of this basically eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces transaction times, particularly for international transfers. So basically, ownership and control is what I'm talking about here. Ultimately boils down in ownership and control. Basically, you could control your own time here. Cryptocurrency users have full ownership and control over their digital assets, unlike traditional financial systems where banks or other, intermediaries control assets to access to funds, especially funds. Okay, that's the most important thing that we have to have control over. So cryptocurrencies allows individuals to have their own custodians, basically providing greater financial autonomy. Okay, so that's just a wrap. That's a wrap for this entire video. I hope this tutorial has helped you in any way, and borderlining all of this, especially if you were a newbie. We have talked about all about crypto itself, including some of the best crypto sites. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys, and ultimately the choice ultimately boils down to you, whether what type of crypto you ought to use. So it's basically you on this one, on the trading market. So it's really important to be familiarizing all these things that I just talked about, and I certainly hope that I've helped in any sort of way. But ultimately it's up to you on the success of your traversing in this newly acquired knowledge that I just embedded on you guys. Now, a couple of tips: just do your research. Just to sum this up, do your own research and all of this, and be wise on the actual trading itself. Okay, be wise on the trading, and more speed to you, more power to you, and just I wish you luck on your journey on this crypto gig that you're about to embark on. And just go ahead and just know the precautions, know the extra steps that you need to take, like the research and all of that. Don't just make decisions that you'll regret, later on. And just happy trading and all of you guys. And that's just it for the wrap up of this video. And if you guys love this video, just please click and drop us a like on the like button there underneath there, and just subscribe if you like this video so far. And I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.